Particularly in refurbishment projects, E2 technology offers compelling benefits. It increases efficiency in the heating system by allowing the householder to use all modern energy sources, thereby enabling significant reductions in system temperatures. Moreover, using E2 technology in combination with heat pumps is the best investment to reduce overall operating costs. It is more cost-effective than underfloor heating, and the investment is quickly recouped compared to the running costs of a new gas condensing boiler and old column radiators. What is more, E2 technology helps to prevent climate change thanks to the enormous reductions in CO2 emissions. Even in newly constructed buildings, E2 technology offers many benefits. However, maximum comfort and cost benefits can be achieved by using both E2 and underfloor heating in combination because they use the same operating temperatures. To learn more about E2 intelligent technology, please visit www.Vogel&Noot.com and www.e2-technology.com.